Potential energy of a single charge in external electric field. Suppose we put a plus q charge in external electric field and potential at that point is V. Then its potential energy will be equal to Q into V. Now suppose this is a uniform electric field. Now how we will produce it? These are two thin metallic sheets placed at some distance parallel to each other. Connect one to positive terminal of battery and second plate to negative terminal of battery. So first plate becomes positively charged, second plate becomes negatively charged. So there will be a uniform electric field in the space between the plates and direction is from positive plate to negative plate. And you put a plus q charge at point A. Suppose potential at this point is V. So potential energy of this plus q charge will be equal to Q into V. Now why this charge has potential energy? Because if you release it, it will move in the direction of field because of electrostatic force due to electric field, which is equal to Q into E. Suppose an electron is placed, then potential energy of that electron will be equal to E into V. Now suppose potential at that point is 1 volt, then potential energy of electron in joule will be equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 multiplied by 1. Now unit of E is coulomb and unit of V is volt or joule per coulomb. So coulomb cancel, so it comes out equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joule. Now if electron is accelerated through a potential difference of 1 volt, then kinetic energy gained by electron is 1 electron volt, which is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joule. 1 kilo electron volt is equal to 10 power 3 electron volt or 1.6 into 10 power minus 16 joule. And 1 million electron volt is equal to 10 power 6 electron volt, which is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 13 joule. Now to convert electron volt into joule, we multiply by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, that is charge of electron. For example, here this energy is written 5 electron volt. So its value in joule will be equal to 5 multiplied by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, which is equal to 8 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. Now suppose we want to convert joule into electron volt. Suppose potential energy is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 18 joule. Then we will divide it by E. So this is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 18 divided by E, and unit will be electron volt. So this is equal to, on calculating, this is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 18 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, this is equal to 10 electron volt. So 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 18 joule is equal to 10 electron volt. Now potential energy of a system of two charges in an external electric field. Suppose we have a system of two charges and distance between the charges is r12. One charge is plus q1, and other charge is plus q2. Then what will be total potential energy of this 2-point charge system in external electric field? Suppose this is a uniform electric field, capital E, and potential at point A in this field is V1, potential at point B in this field is V2. So first we bring the plus q1 charge and place it at A. So its potential energy will be equal to q1 into V1 or q1 into VR1. So this is a method which is written in books. Okay. So R1 shows the position. It is not multiplication of R1 with V. This must be clear. So this is equal to Q1 into V1 or Q1 into VR1. Now place plus Q2 charge at point B. Suppose potential at point B is V2. So U2 will be equal to Q2 V2, or U2 is equal to Q2 V in bracket R2. Now when we are placing this charge plus Q2 at B, so we must have done some work against electrostatic force of plus Q1. So potential energy of this plus Q1 and plus Q2 charge system, which is at a distance R12, U3 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R12. Total potential energy of this system kept in external electric field will be sum of all these terms, means sum of U1, U2 and U3. So U is equal to U1 plus U2 plus U3. This is equal to Q1 V R1 plus Q2 V R2 plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R12. If you have any confusion regarding this term R1 R2, so you may write it like this: U is equal to Q1 V1. Now for VR1 I have written here Q1 V1. U is equal to Q1 V1 plus Q2 V2 plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R12. Now suppose field is like this. This is field due to plus Q point charge. Then suppose potential at A is V1, potential at B is V2, and distance between Q1 Q2 is R12. Then also we will get the same expression: U is equal to Q1 V1 plus Q2 V2 plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R12. So this is the expression for total electrostatic potential energy of a 2-point charge system kept inside the external electric field. Thanks.